Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Kearny Bank Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in kearnybank.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Kearny Bank. Now click on the sign in button at the top right corner and this will open up the login portal. Go ahead and type in your username that you have set while creating your account within the username section and then type in your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your Kearny mortgage account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the help center option and you will be allowed to reset your credentials after following the given steps. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your mortgage account with Kearny Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.